Audi is experiencing a remarkable period of evolution, transforming itself into a brand that harmonizes athletic performance, advanced digital intelligence, and progressive electrification. Traditionally known for precision engineering and dynamic driving experiences, Audi has expanded its focus to include deeply integrated technology, sophisticated user interfaces, and intelligent systems that enhance safety, comfort, and everyday usability. Today's Audi lineup reflects a philosophy that combines driving pleasure with digital adaptability, creating vehicles that are increasingly responsive to both the environment and the driver's intentions. At the heart of Audi's transformation is the shift toward a software-centric vehicle architecture. Modern Audis are designed from the ground up to be intelligent machines, capable not only of delivering power and handling excellence, but also of learning and adapting through software updates. This approach moves beyond traditional mechanics, allowing vehicles to continuously improve over time and respond dynamically to changing conditions on the road. From electric SUVs to hybrid sedans, Audi's new generation of vehicles demonstrates how digital integration can elevate the driving experience without diluting the brand's core DNA. One of the most significant advances in Audi's recent lineup is the expansion of its fully electric family, particularly with models built on the brand's next-generation e-tron architecture. These electric vehicles combine high-capacity battery systems with efficient power delivery, longer driving ranges, and rapid charging capabilities that reduce downtime during travel. Audi's goal is to make electric mobility feel as seamless as possible, providing instant torque, smooth acceleration, and a serene driving experience that complements the refinement expected from a premium automotive brand. Electric models, such as the latest iterations of the Audi e-tron SUV and the upcoming electric sedan, demonstrate how the brand is balancing performance with sustainability. These vehicles feature adaptive energy management systems that optimize power draw, thermal efficiency, and regenerative braking, ensuring that the electric powertrain performs efficiently under a variety of conditions. The integration of these systems is not merely functional, but also intuitive, enabling drivers to focus on the joy of driving without worrying about range anxiety or battery limitations. Inside the cabin, Audi's digital transformation is immediately visible. The virtual cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster, puts key information right in the driver's line of sight, adapting its layout based on speed, navigation needs, and performance requirements. This immersive display system replaces traditional dials with a configurable interface that can emphasize navigation maps, driver assistance data, performance metrics, or a simplified view for everyday driving. The Audi MMI infotainment system complements this with a high-resolution touchscreen that supports gesture control, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration, creating an ecosystem that feels integrated and intuitive rather than fragmented. Alongside its focus on electrification, Audi continues to refine its internal combustion and hybrid models. Vehicles such as the Audi Q5 and A4 remain central to the brand's success, receiving updates that enhance their digital capabilities and safety features. New driver assistance systems are integrated with camera and radar arrays that monitor the surrounding environment, helping with tasks such as adaptive cruise control, lane guidance, and collision avoidance. These technologies operate quietly in the background, providing support without overwhelming the driver and contribute to a smoother, more confident driving experience. In the SUV category, Audi has expanded its range to include a diverse lineup that caters to a wide variety of drivers. From the compact Audi Q3 to the larger Q7 and Q8 models, these vehicles offer a mix of spacious interiors, advanced infotainment systems, and powerful drivetrains. The Q8, in particular, blends luxury design with performance, offering a commanding presence on the road while maintaining the agility expected from the brand. Each SUV in the lineup benefits from adaptive suspension systems, precise steering, and efficient power distribution that all contribute to a driving experience that feels both controlled and effortless. Performance remains a cornerstone of Audi's identity, particularly through its high-performance S and RS models. The Audi RS lineup, including vehicles such as the RS6 Avant and RS Q8, represents the pinnacle of the brand's engineering prowess, combining track-capable performance with everyday usability. These vehicles employ advanced all-wheel drive systems, torque vectoring, and high-output engines that deliver exhilarating acceleration without compromising stability or comfort. Even as Audi embraces electrification, performance models continue to evolve, often incorporating hybrid assist systems that enhance power delivery and responsiveness. Audi's compact and mid-size vehicles also reflect the brand's dedication to technological sophistication and driver-centric design. Models such as the A3 and Q3 offer modern interiors with digitized controls, efficient powertrain options, and connectivity features that bring premium experiences to smaller segments. These vehicles are designed to appeal to drivers who want luxury and innovation in a more accessible package, demonstrating Audi's commitment to expanding its reach without diluting its core values. The flagship sedan segment remains an important focus for Audi as well, with vehicles like the A8 representing the pinnacle of comfort, technology, and sophistication. The latest A8 models integrate advanced semi-autonomous driving features, three-dimensional displays, and a suite of comfort innovations that transform the vehicle into a sanctuary on the road. These technologies are not only about convenience, but also about anticipating driver needs and reducing cognitive load during long journeys or complex traffic situations. Audi continues to invest in sustainability beyond electric powertrains, embracing eco-friendly materials, efficient production methods, and end-of-life recycling strategies that reduce environmental impact. The brand's manufacturing facilities are increasingly focusing on energy efficiency, waste reduction, and responsible sourcing, which aligns with a broader vision of sustainability that extends beyond the vehicles themselves. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are playing an ever greater role in Audi's vehicle systems. Navigation systems adapt in real time to traffic patterns, road conditions, and driver habits, while driver assistance systems learn from individual behavior to provide smoother, more personalized support. These intelligent systems are designed to enhance confidence and reduce stress, especially in situations that require rapid decision-making or prolonged attention. By integrating predictive algorithms, Audi vehicles can anticipate driving needs before the driver consciously reacts, resulting in a more harmonious interaction between human and machine. When viewed as a whole, Audi's latest and upcoming releases reveal a brand that is not simply adapting to change, but actively shaping the future of premium automotive mobility. Performance remains a defining element, but it is now inseparably linked with digital intelligence, efficiency, and sustainability. Audi's approach to vehicle design acknowledges that modern drivers want more than speed or luxury. They want vehicles that are responsive, connected, and capable of evolving through software updates and intelligent systems. For drivers, owning a modern Audi means entering an ecosystem that continues to grow and adapt over time. Whether the focus is on electrified performance, refined comfort, advanced technology, or everyday usability, Audi's current lineup provides compelling choices that reflect diverse lifestyles and priorities. This adaptability ensures that Audi remains relevant in a rapidly changing automotive landscape, appealing to both traditional enthusiasts and forward-thinking customers. Audi's direction is not about chasing fleeting trends, but about shaping the future of premium mobility through thoughtful engineering, intuitive digital systems, and a deep understanding of the modern driving experience. The latest Audi models demonstrate a brand that honors its heritage of precision and performance while embracing innovation, connectivity, and sustainable progress. As the automotive world continues to evolve, Audi's commitment to seamless integration between driver and vehicle positions it as a leading force in defining what modern mobility can be, balancing the excitement of driving with the intelligence of tomorrow's technology.